This walkthrough will guide you through all the functions of the WorkLink application. We'll be using this area for some simple demonstration, but keep in mind that WorkLink is designed to be used pretty much anywhere at just about any scale of work. The WorkLink application, once installed on your handheld or wearable device, allows you to access your organization's expertise and knowledge base in a number of ways. The first is connecting you to a remote user to share a live view of your workspace along with voice, drawing, and other tools that lock to the video. It really is the best workplace communication tool you've ever experienced. As a single user, you can also load pre-built 3D content, ranging from interactive reference models to detailed work instruction sequences, which can document your progress without the need for any other effort. On top of all that, you can also combine those functions, meaning you can share 3D AR content in a call you're already on, or add a remote user to your work process to provide support or sign off on progress.